Alright, so I just got my spark plugs done this week because I was having a misfire and they should have been done a long time ago, so I'm not blaming the truck there. But I'm still having a bit of an issue when I accelerate. Hard acceleration, I guess, to pass and stuff, or merge on the highway. So I don't know if you can tell from the video, but so like I said, I got the spark plugs done last week and I'm doing the injectors tomorrow to see if that fixes the problem. Okay, so it was not the injectors after all. It was two broken spark plugs. They were cracked from the delivery place. So I got those replaced and now it's running just fine. But apparently that's kind of common because it's a hairline crack, so the tech won't even see it before they install it, and then it's too late. So the truck has about 276,000 kilometers on it right now. I'm excited to get to 300 because I'm going to do an update when I get there.